Hello friends, this video explains what are the Office 365 business plans that you can purchase for your business or organization. So these prices that I mentioned here are for Australia, and it is in AUD, that is Australian dollar. So you can see that there are mainly three plans that are provided by Microsoft for the Office 365. Starting with the first one, which is the cheapest plan, Office 365 Business Essential. Then next plan is Office 365 Business, which will cost $12 per user per month. So these prices are like that. So it depends upon how many users will be using that plans. So for example, if your company or organization has got say 5 people, then 12 into 5, that is $60 it will cost per month. And then finally we have got premium plan, Office 365 Business Premium, which will cost $17. So you can see here on the Microsoft website, they have given the features that are provided in these plans. So this was the first plan. This is the cheapest plan that I was talking about, Office 365 Business Essentials, which will cost $7 per user per month, and these prices are in Australian dollars. And you can see that out of these plans, you can purchase any of that depending upon your needs. So we will see like what is included in these plans. Let us start with this essential first, this plan, which is the cheapest one. You can see that Office apps are included, but web and mobile versions only. What it means is that you can open this Outlook, Word, Excel in the browser or on mobile phone, not on the desktop. So that's why the price is cheap. And you can see that below services are included, which includes Microsoft Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Teams. So these softwares are also included in this plan. So only drawback of this plan is that you don't get this desktop versions of these apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. You have to use browser or mobile phone only to create the document, share the documents, etc. So if you want to save money, then I will recommend that you go for this plan because it is the cheapest plan. And most of the people will prefer doing editing on the web browser only, because nowadays people are working from remote, and it shouldn't depend on what system you're using. So it doesn't matter whether you're using Mac or whether you're using Linux, you can still access all these apps within the browser. So I will recommend if you want to save the costs, that you can go for this plan. Now coming back to the second plan that I was talking about was this one, which will cost $12 per user per month. And you can see that in the services section, it is just including OneDrive. It doesn't include the SharePoint, Teams, Exchange, so which is used as the email server. And Office apps are included. You can see this PC only. So this publisher and access is available on PC only. It cannot be accessed through the browser. But these are available through the web as well as desktop. For example, you can open the Word document on the computer as well using in both of these plans, Business and Business Premium. The only difference is that Business email is not included in this particular plan, and services are not included like Exchange, Teams, and SharePoint. But if your company or organization is like bigger, then I will recommend that you go for this plan, which will cost $17.2 Australian dollars per user per month. But it includes everything. You will every user or the employee of your organization will have a separate email. Then they can open these documents, Word document, Excel documents on desktop as well as web. And services, all the services are included as well: Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Teams. So it just depends upon what you want out of the Office 365. They have created these three plans, and you can choose based upon your needs. If you have more questions, or if you want any help in setting up these plans for your organization or company in Australia, you can contact me. Thanks for watching this video.